Hello, this is Tom with Avian Event, and here we have a yellow Nape Amazon and a blue front Amazon. Both of them still hand feeding some. This guy here really likes it a lot. This one here not too far from weaning off. Both pretty sweet birds. Ready for someone to spend a little more time with them. Whoa! There you go, guy. Or girl. Both of these are unsexed. We do have a male yellow Nape Amazon though for sale. It's just not this one. We don't know what sex this one is. This one is not sexed either. But definitely a very sweet bird. Thank you very much.